My name is John Reyes de la Serna, 31, and I'm your Mr. Gay World 2023.
Mr. Fahrenheit is Makati City!
With us today on G Spot is considered one of the most prominent faces in pageantry, a controversial king who made marks in conquering both male and gay pageants. Please welcome to the studio, John Reyes de la Serna. Hello.
Hi.
A lot of people kasi, lalo-lalo na sa pageantry, they wanted to break the stereotype, they wanted to make a name, a mark. So nanggagaling talaga sila usually sa gay pageants into the male pageant. Sa'yo, nanggaling ka sa Mister sa Pilipinas 2022 where you represented Makati and then nag-Mr. Gay World ka in 2023. What made you that transition?
Actually, making that decision was really hard kasi originally I came from a male pageant. So, breaking the stereotype is really hard because you have to go out of your comfort zone. So, ang ginawa kong decision doon is since na-out naman na ako, so I have to stand on my ground na I can make a difference if things can be done na mas magiging flexible ako. Kasi pageantry is not a measurement of your gender. It's a measurement of your perspective, capabilities, and number. And one of the most thing is advocacy that you could share in the industry and in the world. So that's how I see it.
But yung sa organization ba, Mister sa Pilipinas, may nasabi ba sa'yo, nagulat ba sila na, "Oh my God, parang candidate
Actually,
namin 'to dati." Tsaka pumuesto ka, 'di ba?
oo.
What's your title?
Umabot ako nun ng semifinals.
Oo.
So, actually nung closed door interview ko, there was a hard question that was asked to me, no? So, it was related to the, scene that I was included. So, question nun is, how will you react um, to those people, bullying people in social media?
So,
So,
nangyari pala 'tong case na 'to in the duration of the pageant?
after.
Okay.
So, parang 2 years after kasi
Mm.
2022 ako nag-join
And it happened
and it happened
20
2021.
Okay. So, yung nag-transition ka na to Mr. Gay World, paano ka tinanggap
Ah,
ng Mr. Gay World organization?
actually ano 'yan, it was really a tough decision na mag-move ako or mag-apply ako during that time. So, I just took my chances. Last minute na nga ako nun, eh, nung sabi ko, "Uy, I'm decided already na sige, I'll go out of my comfort zone. Why don't I try it?" 'No? So, sabi ko, "Sige, I'll take my chances." And then from there, um, natanggap naman.
But you knew you were gay na before pa when you joined Mister sa Pilipinas?
Ano,
No.
yeah,
So
before when I was in college, siyempre hindi kasi nagkaroon pa ako ng girlfriend nun, eh, isa. So,
mhm.
medyo mahirap siya nung time na na-out na ako.
When you started naman competing in Mister Gay World naman, anong sabi ng org sa'yo? We only accept gay individuals here or did you, label yourself as pansexual ba or bisexual?
Actually, the organization doesn't have any discrimination.
Hmm.
That's one of the things that I appreciate, when it comes to the pageantry itself. Kasi, kay Mister Gay World, ano ba, they're all welcome. They're all welcoming. And
Mhm.
same thing din naman kay Mister sa Filipinas, they don't discriminate other people. Pero siyempre, hindi naman natin matatanggal yung perspective ng tao na, "Ay, itong taong 'to, gay 'to, so he should only be joining gay pageant. Ay, itong taong 'to, lesbian 'to, so she's not allowed to join other pageants."
But did you receive social media discrimination at that time or hindi pa gano'n ka sobrang lala yung bashing sa social media?
So far and thankfully 'no, I haven't received any bashing
Hmm.
nung time ko and during the case was running, wala akong nare-receive na anything bad. Kasi ano, eh, I choose to stay quiet. I choose
Mhm.
to stay quiet. At the same time, if I'm not involved, I will not involve myself. That's one thing I've learned.
Paano 'yan when after you won Mr. Gay World, siyempre may mga sponsorship
Mhm.
opportunities, may mga na-deprive ba sa'yo mga brands kasi nga knowing that you came out as gay?
So far wala akong na-receive na ganyan. Kasi at the end of the day, it's me carrying my own self, facing different brands, talking to different brands too. At the same time, ano naman eh, thankfully 'no, sa industry ng modeling, they don't discriminate anymore. Kasi and so far I haven't tried being discriminated.
Maybe because it comes with a pretty face, with a looks, with
And
that ano,
I don't
'di
think so.
ba?
Siguro ano lang, ang perception ko kasi when it comes to work, you have to be professional. So,
Halfies, what's your opinion?
half-feast, okay.
You yourself a halfies, right?
I am half, but everyone in the society should be working as fairly.
Mm.
I don't see myself being half. I have a privilege. I have lots of opportunities. For me, kasi if you're halfies, if you're considering yourself halfies, that's already a privilege from to you kasi
Mm.
you have an adjustment. You have an adjustment na makikita agad na ay okay half siya. So privilege na 'yon. Pero your character should not define your half.
Lessons na nakuha mo from Mr. Gay World and Mr. sa Pilipinas, yung pinakamabigat na lesson na nakuha mo?
Hmm. Actually ano 'yan, eh. Well, this should apply to everyone kasi naman, when you join pageant, you have to be versatile, number one. Kasi not all your co-candidates, not all organizations are happy towards you. At the same time, you have to pay attention. You have to be sensitive enough. So versatility is number one that you should learn when you join pageantry. Kasi you will meet lots of people, lots of personality at the same time. Every one of them have different behaviors. And not always remember na you stay low key kasi not all people will clap behind your back.
That's right.
So that's how I see it.
And
Pero
speaking of people clapping behind your back and in front of you, we will dive in konti lang dun sa issue na nangyari.
okay, okay.
2021 dun sa Christine Becerra case, which everyone is interested to know about. How were you related to her ba talaga?
She's our friend. She's our friend, syempre. She's our baby girl,
Mm.
number one. And the core itself, siya talaga yung center of attraction kasi siya nga yung baby namin eh. She's the youngest.
And I believe the case is ano na 'di ba? It favored to you guys.
Yes, it's already we're already acquitted.
Okay. How did it affect you personally sa work mo?
Actually, ano ba? I don't see it somehow a little negative. Kasi before I was working at a BPO.
Mm.
So, siyempre hindi ako makapag-work na
Sana yung
maayos.
BPO ng ganyang itsura, di habol na habol ng mga tao sa'yo
So,
doon.
that time, I was working in a BPO. So, medyo hindi makapag-work na maayos kasi siyempre, if there is a hearing, I have to show up.
Yeah.
But on the positive side, on the positive side, no, pero mali siya. Mali siya kasi I was discovered on a wrong way. So,
Mm.
on the positive side, there were chances na or I was given the opportunity to become a model. So, nagkaroon ako
Mm.
na endorsing clinics, which is dati wala. Dati sobrang regular.
Buti naman yung these brands still wanted to take a risk and get you as models sa mga brands nila, no? Despite of they took it as opportunity.
Siguro they've let the issue subside.
Mm.
Kasi if ever you're innocent enough, wala naman reason para hindi ka kunin eh.
Do you think there was any misconception sa aftermath? Siyempre makikita ka ng mga tao dun. So, ay, brand siya, ambassador siya ng gano'n.
Mm.
Do you think pumapasok-pasok pa rin sa isip na,
Actually, so far wala rin ako na-receive na ganyan. Kasi nga gaya ng sabi ko kanina 'no, I stay quiet. So, hindi ako yung kagaya ng ibang tao na nakikipaglaban sa social media, hindi. Kasi the more mo siyang papatulan, the more siyang iingay. So, on my behalf, if I'm if alam ko naman sa sarili ko I'm not guilty, so I don't have
Mm.
to explain my side anymore.
Grabe yung pinagdaanan mo 'no, kasi from sabi ko nga you're kinda low-key, ayaw mong you don't dip into things na ano, but you were suddenly discovered in a national issue in gano'ng way. So, are you still with your yung mga barkada mo?
We're all connected pa rin naman 'no, pero as of now, siyempre as year passes, we have different path na tinahak na.
Hmm,
Pero as long as we're seeing each other growing, that's good enough.
no bad blood with
No
each
bad
other.
blood at all.
Mm.
If I will be going back to that situation, none. Kasi I'm happy. I'm happy na na-meet ko yung mga taong yun kasi, they helped me grow, number one. Kasi before work lang ako kay Accenture, uwi ng bahay, tapos hindi maggi-gimik, lalabas lang siguro together ng cousin ko. Pero, when I met those people na nakakasama ko, doon na-introduce sa'kin si BGC. That's
Mhm.
the only time na nakakakilala ko ng maraming tao. So, I don't have any regrets nung time na yun kasi somehow it
Do they
was
still recognize you as, Mr. Gaworld 'to, sa Pilipinas siya, ganyan-ganyan?
ay iba na siyempre low-key
Or
na
do you think
lang.
mas nangingibabaw yung, ito yung Christine Dacera
Ay
case?
so far wala naman.
Wala.
So far ano na, ano ba, I'm walking na natural na lang. So, thankful naman ako sa lahat ng nangyayari.
So how is John Reyes de la Serna now, 2026?
As
Do you
of
have any
now,
plans in the future?
wala pa as of the moment kasi
Hmm,
nga busy pa ako sa business, number one.
mhm.
Tapos I work in the financial
Hindi na
institution.
BPO?
Hindi na,
Okey,
oo.
okey.
So, as much as possible, I love what I'm doing.
Now we're gonna deep dive sa world of pageantry, the dark side of pageantry, everything, because you're an insider yourself, you've been there, you've done that, 'di ba? Nananalo ka naman sa mga pageant. Do you think, honestly speaking, there is still politics or favoritism when it comes to pageantry?
Well, when it comes to politics and favoritism, medyo mahirap yun na question, pero this is only my insight. Um, if it's your night, it's your night.
Mhm.
Kasi even though, judges have favoritism, if ever they've seen you glow kasi ako I do judging,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
nagja-judge ako. So, on my end, 'pag nakita kong sobrang glow nung candidate, I'm giving the chance. That's how I see it. At the same time, hindi lang naman kasi hindi lang judges yung magso-score sa'yo. Number one, yung mga kasama mo, kasi if you deserve the crown.
Hmm,
Number two is the organization. So if the organization is um against you or gusto sa'yo,
hmm.
mas maganda. Kung against sa'yo, dapat galingan mo na sa
So,
sa
buti nga
stage.
wala kang prejudgment, 'di ba kasi siyempre pino-post yung mga pictures nila online. So, parang
Mm,
meron kang bet na gano'n. Buti you are still fair kasi ako naman when I judge, I don't look at yung mga hot pics, yung mga
mm.
pino-post nila. Parang I sit there on the judges table ta's nakikita ko whoever stands out in that day or whoever glowed, yun yung so wala kang gano'n na parang, "Ay ito yung bet ko nung nakita ko sa social media, tapos tignan nga
Ah,
natin kung ano."
actually sa ganyan wala akong, when I see your photo online, may expectation ako.
Hmm,
But that doesn't mean I'm expecting too high.
mhm.
So, this is how I do it 'no, kasi every pageant has, ano nga tawag dito, costumes.
Yeah,
I
somewhere.
costume, I
Hmm,
fairly gave good scores when it comes to costume kasi I see efforts in every candidates.
hmm.
I've been a candidate,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
alam ko kung paano yung gastos, yung effort ng training, yung time, sobrang nagma-matter yan sa'kin. Gano'n din ako sa swimwear. I don't have any body shaming issue.
You've also joined sa Century Tuna Super Buds.
Yes, that was way back 2024?
So after ng Mr.
2024.
Gay World stint mo, nag-ano ka,
Nag-try lang ako. I just took my
Century 2 din.
chances. And fortunately, I was given the chance to be part of the callback.
Yeah. And
So,
recently nag-Century, di ka nag-apply?
kasi ano ba, it's not my time yet.
Mhm.
That's how I see it. Kasi priority ko yung business.
Hmm.
So I want to establish the business first. And then, if ever it crosses my path na to rejoin, I will. Pero, as of the moment, there was conflicts that time. So, nagkaroon, nag, nagkaroon ng wedding yung best friend ko.
Mhm.
And then, we're running a business. So,
Kasi we have to admit talaga 2026, if you're running a business, tas parang hindi ka rin masyadong
yes,
influential,
you have to stay
ang
focused.
hirap maka-trigger ng makakuha ng market, 'di ba? But in pageantry, in both do you think that there's honestly a dark side to it?
It would really depend
What
with
I'm
the
talking about is yung mga organizers na nagkakabit sa candidates, the rumors that you hear, they would book them, what can you say about that?
Okay. So, ano ba, I have to be honest on that kind of situation, no? Kasi, um, it's not a
Did you
one
receive offers?
I did before.
Ew!
I did. Pero, this is only my perspective on that question. Usually kasi, it's not only a one-side story. So, if ever man pumayag si candidate, it's a candidate's perspective. Prerogative niya yun. So,
Values niya yun, endorse
yes.
niya yun.
Pero I don't see it very natural. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-try at thankfully, no, wala pa akong mga friends na naka-try ng ganyan.
Hmm.
So, siguro, it might happen sa iba, pero at the end of the day, it's a two-person involved. So, hindi siya inconsented. Mean to say, it's consented kasi parehas pumayag.
Hmm.
So, that's how I see it. Hindi ko siya nakikita as the dark side.
Do you think face matters most or the body? Kasi malaking issue yan sa male pageant, eh.
Mm.
Parang dati 'pag borta ka, yes, pasok 'to. 'Pag ngayon face, kahit di ka na borta, aba ano ka na, bet ka na.
Ano ba? Yan ang mahirap na question. Kasi ako, personally, I don't look into face.
Hmm.
Kasi, and body, I always look on the character, number
Hmm.
one. Kasi if you have a good character, your body will follow kasi you're disciplined.
Hmm.
Number two is yung face is very enhanceable. So, mean to say,
Nowadays.
pwede siya ma-enhance.
Mm.
Konting iwas ka lang sa puyat, stay healthy, everything could change.
Yeah.
So, it's a matter of discipline, character, and number three is respect. That's how I see it.
But how do you judge that when you're on the judges table? Hindi mo naman sila nakasama ng matagal.
Okay. That's a very good question, no?
Mm.
So, like I said, fairly ako magbigay ng scores when I'm doing scoring
At
sa...
naging judge na nga siya.
Hindi. Oo,
Oo.
fairly ako magbigay ng score when it comes to costume, swimwear, and evening wear.
Mhm.
Sobrang fair ako sa ganyan. So, as in, I don't give 5, 6, wala. Pinakamababa ko ata 7 or 8.
Hmm.
That's how I give scores. Pero, when it comes to Q&A, paano mo ipapresent sa Philippines if you're not well-equipped?
Mm.
So, that's how I see it, no? Kasi, if you're eloquent enough, if the way you speak is very understandable, at the same time, it represents as you, mararamdaman kasi yun ng judges.
Mhm.
And ako, that's one of the things that I look up to.
Do you wanna change anything sa pageantry?
Ahem.
The organizers, sa criteria, paghahanap ng mga candidates ngayon, may gusto kang baguhin?
Siguro if there will be things I would like to change, no? Siguro discrimination still. Not all
Mm.
pageants are welcoming gays, welcoming lesbians, at the same time, even trans. So I do understand that each perspective or each people can join different pageants, but we have to respect how they see themselves.
Mhm.
Siguro yun lang yung gusto kong ma-change as of the moment, no? Kasi it should be properly done. And we're living on the same world.
What do you mean properly done?
It should be properly done kasi um respect. It
Mm.
should be properly done kasi yun yung pinili ng tao.
As long as you identify yourself as a guy, 'di ba? Parang
Mm.
do you think he can join a
Yes,
male
of
or a
course.
gay pageant?
Yes,
Ganyan.
of course.
What if a male pageant would join a gay pageant naman?
That's totally fine.
Fine, yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
If he's considering himself
Mm.
joining in a male pageant, no, na straight ka, then you want to join a gay pageant, probably there are circumstances that you have to consider. Probably nag-join siya ng pageant na yun kasi may kailangan siya.
Oh.
Probably may kailangan siyang sustentuhan or financially or medically needed. I don't see it invalidating. Kasi nga we're living in a free world and everyone is free to make their own decisions.
Do you think in the future you will how many pageants do you still want to join? Or do you still have a heart for joining pageant after you represented the Philippines already sa international stage?
Aha, that's a hard question. Actually, medyo hindi ko siya masagot as of now kasi hindi pa ako gano'n ka fully equipped
Mm.
when it comes to considering myself going back in the industry. But I would like to share my best practices, my best knowledge when it comes to the pageant itself. Kasi nga, again,
So you can see yourself as parang someone who's training new
hindi naman. Siguro I would share experiences,
okay.
how I able to experience things. Kasi again, yung world ng pageantry, you have to be versatile. Sobrang you have to be flexible, you have to have your patience longer.
Mm.
Yun kasi yung magde-develop sa'yo as a new individual na has the potential to be crowned.
Yung crown mo ba is nauwi mo? Sa'yo na yun?
Nung time namin wala pa kaming crown nun.
Tsaka siya, sa F ba yun ginanap?
Sa Apollo yun sa'min, sa Apollo.
Oo. And Mama Lord was the first runner-up.
Yes.
Sabi ko kay Mama Lord, pero dun na lang sa podcast yun. Sabi ko, people are saying, you have to meet him, ganyan-ganyan. Pares kayong para may pagka-maldita, ganyan. Sabi ko, alam mo, dalawa lang mangyayari. It's either maging super close kami or super mag-aaway kami. And it turned out super close kami.
Mabait yan si Mama Lord. Ako, ano ba, she's a person that has full of character.
But he's also a victim of bashing.
I know. That's a sad thing, no? Kasi nga, well,
Good thing napakalakas ng spirit niya, no? Talagang,
uulaban yun si Mama Lord. Sobrang, kaya nga nung time na nanood ako ng pageant, I was cheering for him. Kasi nga sabi ko, iba yung glow niya nung night na yun.
oo. I remember nung sumali akong 2024, nasa makeup table ako. Lumapit siya. Oh dear, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, oh my God. Sabi niya na medyo, tingnan natin, okay naman makeup mo. Ganyan siya.
He's a motherly
Kaya nga
for
nung
me.
batch niya this year, ako naman yung lumapit sa kanya. So good luck, ganyan, ganon.
Sobrang motherly siya nung time din namin.
Diba? So, title holder and a model and a businessman. What's your business now?
Ngayon, meron kaming salon. Tapos, meron kaming sunscreen. So,
Your own brand.
yes.
Taray, you wanna promote?
Wag muna. Kasi i-launch pa lang namin siya sooner. Pero yung sunscreen is velour. So, eventually, by 8/8, ila-live na namin siya sa TikTok.
Beauty ang mo.
Yes.
You're into beauty. It's your own ikaw or ikaw?
Dalawa kami.
Are you single or are you taken?
As of now, single, syempre. It's single by choice.
Single by choice.
Oo, single by
Hindi
choice.
ko na tatanungin ng edad. Yeah. Any future plans?
Wala, I'm still discovering myself pa eh. How are things going? Ano ba? I'm seeing still potential in myself in doing different things.
I see you sa the stereotype of a male pageant king. Matangkad, may tsura, may katawan, may lahi. 'Di ba? Parang talagang I feel that you're gonna have the best things in life. You know, whatever na tinatahak mo, Do you have struggles pa rin?
Of course, 2024 ang dami kong struggles.
Opportunities, like, I wanna do this, I wanna join this, ta's na-deprive ka?
As of now, I have the capability to do it.
Hmm.
But 2024 was my turning point. Thanks, ano ba, pinagsakluban ako ng langit at lupa nun. So, I'm about to give up 2024. Kasi ang dami ko nangyari sa akin. 2023, ano ba? 2024, ay galing ako ng heartbreak.
Hmm.
Tapos dumating pa sa point na depleted na yung savings ko, as in wala na akong pera. Ano pa ba yun? Naputulan ako ng kuryente. Tapos
Because
pinapalayas na
of?
ako ng landlord ko. Kasi hindi ko alam saan ako magsa-start. Sobrang hirap ng 2024.
Kasi
Ah,
napanood ko yung sa inyo ni kay Boy Abunda. Same kayo na parang sila parang ano din na financially na ano na, don't know where to live,
well, it's
ganun.
given. It's given talaga kasi having a case was not that easy. It was really expensive.
Are you thankful na it turned out to your favor? Na kasi ang lakas ng odds na, "Ay oo, mga rapist 'tong mga 'to. Pumatay 'tong mga tao."
Mm.
How did you feel na ano kaya personally kasi nasubaybayan ko, sabi ko, "Ay buti naman ano, na dinismiss ang kaso." Kasi, LGBT would know an LGBT member, 'di ba?
Of
Parang we
course.
would never do that to any girl. I mean, to your best friend, 'di ba? Did you felt, "Oh God, thank you." Kasi kung if ever ma-convict kayo, what would you react? Anong sa tingin mo?
Actually, ano ba, from the beginning pa lang naman, thankful na rin ako no, kasi I have a strong personality. If wala talaga akong ginawa, I can stand it.
Mhm.
Thankfully din naman nung time na yon, we're all cooperating with our lawyer. So from there, alam naman namin na madi-dismiss siya.
Hmm.
Kasi walang enough evidences, number one. Tapos number two, wala naman kaming ginawang masama.
Mm.
Masama yung nangyari na may namatay and totoo talagang masama siya.
Mm.
Pero at the end of the day, wala naman kaming pinatay. Yun lang.
How's the
Mm.
mother?
I don't know actually, wala kaming contact sa kanya, eh.
Whatever happens, you're still moving on, more business, tapos whatever your future plan is, I wish you so the best of the best, 'di
Thank
ba? You
you.
are so welcome. Kaya nga naging guest, I really chose you to be part of the guest kasi I want to feature yung mga controversial people, yung mga mga people na talaga made an impact to this society, not just in pageantry and what. So thank you so much for your time. May gusto ka pa ba i-share? What's your last message to anyone?
One thing I've learned in life, you're still the master of your life. Kasi nga, kahit gaano pa kadami yung friends mo, kahit gaano ka pa kayaman, everything can change in a snap. Kasi
Mm.
it happens to me. And beyond all, I'm grateful na from nothing, from zero, I have something. At least hindi naman nagyayabang, but I'm living on a comfortable life right now.
Yay!
So, yun yung lesson na naaral ko sa sarili ko.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Happy for you. Nakita kita sa Mr. Gay World Coronation, tapos nagulat ako na nandun ka. Ang galing.
Dun lang ako nag-attend ulit.
Nakita mo na ang laki na ng
Ang
diferensya, no?
ganda. Wala akong masasabi. In fair,
Mm.
Wayne did his job very well.
And now it's bench. Bench turn.
It's bench turn.
Yun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much for taking your time to watch the full episode today on G-Spot. Sana po marami po tayong natutunan at naibaon along the way. Also, big thanks sa lahat po na mga nag-like, nag-share at nag-subscribe dito po sa ating channel. See you next time!